Yes.
Why are you thinking about people's what will we say about your it means about your statement? Just think about it only for yourself. You can do anything as you want. So just think it means a different way because you have a next level craze. Okay. So just hi the Josh.
Hi.
Okay. So now I would like to it means call. Can you come Srishti on the stage? You can see she is a Srishti. She is a very beautiful girl in our English at workplace. So now Srishti, I will give you one activity for you, okay? And the activity name is, it means I will play the one song for you and I will give the dance step and you will play this dance step with audience, okay? So the step is that, your step is that this. Okay. And your song name is listen. Srishti, listen. Srishti. And your actually your dancing and your song name is Kamariya Hila De. Okay. So now just play this song. And for this, I want to give some things for you for your it means beautiful dance. So, please.
No one have courage to stand here. No one can but Sister come and everyone says no. I will not do whatever you all will do here. So Sister did. So thank you, Sister. Thank you so much. Don't think this is a old pen. This is new pen.
All is well, all is well, all is well. You must be thinking what I am doing this. Let me tell you. When I stand here, I am feeling nervous now, and I am trying to calming my heart because when my heart is calm, my mind works properly. The line is said by the great philosopher. Its name is Funsuk Wangru. He said, हमारा जो दिल होता है ना यार, it's you just keep making a stupid. Doesn't matter what the problem and how big the problem in your life. Just say it, all is well, and all is well. You can handle all the things. And it's me, Tohid Ronak, and without wasting your time and also mine, I'm going to tell you very fascinating topic. Our mouth speak what the heart is full of. Yes guys, हमारी जुबान वही कहती है जो हमारे दिल में होता है. Yes guys, today I've just come here to tell you my heart. We can say the feelings of my heart. How beautiful has someone said, we have power to break someone's heart with the words that come out of our tongue. So it's a request for everyone. If you say something in front of anyone, please control your tongue. And the other hand, the prayer is always come from our heart. It can be never think bad for anyone. My dear Ayansa, I just want to say something for you. I have a lots of respect and love for you in my heart. Just like a hungry people who respect and value the piece of bread. Just like a farmer who respect the rain in summer. If I say in one line, in my heart, I love you most after our parents and our God. I never forget the moment when I spent with you and our EAW family in my life. I just want to say to you, okay, it's a moment. I really love you, sir.
Thank you so much.
I totally fall in love with my Ayansa, and I also really love you, my EAW family. I have a beautiful line for my dear Ayansa कि किस्सा ये ज़िंदगी का कभी शुरू ही ना हुआ होता अगर ज़िंदगी को ज़िंदगी बताने वाले गुरु ही ना मिले होते. कि किस्सा ये ज़िंदगी का कभी शुरू ही ना हुआ होता अगर ज़िंदगी को ज़िंदगी बताने वाले गुरु ही ना मिले होते. कभी डांटते हैं तो कभी प्यार जताते हैं, सही रास्ते पे हमें चलना सिखाते हैं. जिन्होंने हमें ज़मीन से आसमां तक ले आया, जिन्होंने हमें पंख खोल उड़ना सिखाया, उन्हें हम अपना गुरु नहीं, उन्हें अपना हम संसार मानते हैं. एंड आई ओनली सेड व्हाट आई हैड इन माई हार्ट, इमेंस लव and respect for my Ayansa and our EAW family. I hope you are perfectly understand what I have in my heart and what I try to say to you. It is just love. Thank you all for giving me your precious time. It's me, Tohid Ronak, and it's a request to my beautiful family and my friends. If you want to see me in next round, please vote for me.